everyone, I am Priya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I would be showing you how you can use or upcycle old wooden crates. So the summer season is here and we all buy mangoes, and mangoes generally come in these wooden crate packaging. So I would be showing you how you can reuse these wooden crates. Here in this video I have used 3 wooden crates which I have stuck together by nailing them. So let's get started, and first thing I would be doing is I would be smoothing the surface of the wooden crates by using a sandpaper. As you can see how I'm doing it. This is a very optional step. If you don't want to follow the smoothing step, then do not follow this. I would be painting this crate afterwards. That's why I'm smoothing it up. If you want to use it as it is, you can use it like that way also. So once the smoothing part is done, I would be using spray on colors in the color brown. I bought this color from local stationery of rupees 250, and I'm using spray color because they are like easy to apply and they dry up very quickly. So guys, this is the final look after coloring the wooden crate, and now I would be showing you how you can use this wooden crate in many different ways. So let's get started. So the first way is to use it for keeping old newspapers, empty bottles and boxes. This is how I have used it, as you can see. Another way is to use it as a table. What I have done here is I have used a green bedsheet to cover it. I have kept some plants and books over it. Now I can keep my laptop over it and work or just browse different things while having some coffee. Another way is to use it as a shoe rack. This would help you to keep all your shoes at one place and save your house entrance from looking messy. Last one is my personal favorite. You can use it in your balcony. You can keep your planters and some books in it, and in evening you can just grab a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy the peace. So guys, if you have loved watching this video, then please hit that like button, and if you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video you get notified about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.